So let's now do another interesting program where we will be splitting an entire string into individual words, and then each individual word we will be using sentence case. Sentence case में क्या होता है कि only the first character is capital, rest of the character is small. We have another case in which the first character of every word, individual word is capital, and let's see how we can work on that. So we ask the user to input a string, and the whatever characters the user enters goes in string 1. Then we take another string 2, which is initially an empty string. We then take string 3. In string 3, what we are doing is splitting this string 1. So, suppose we entered Python programming is fun. All these characters are in lowercase. So, all these characters go in string 1, whatever we have inputted, and st3 is equal to st31 dot split. What is going to be printed in str3? So, let's go and print str3 so that you can get a glimpse of what it is, right? So, it will have individual, by default split will be done on the blank space. So, it will have now individual words Python, programming, is and fun. Right. So, you can see here now string 3 is individual words that comprises this string. So, now we take individual string for I in str3, and what we have to do is for each of these words we have to put the first character in uppercase. So, here we have this loop for each word in str3 for this Python. Once it will work for Python, next for programming, then for is, and then for fun. What you have to do is for j in range length of I. So, length of I, what is I? Python. Length of I, it is 6 because it has 6 characters. So, this loop will iterate 6 times for till 6 times, because 6 is the length of this first character, first word in the string, right? So, here if j is equal to 0, if it is the first character, then you have to append in upper. So, whatever it was, whether it was a lowercase character or an uppercase character, you in str2, which was initially empty, you would put I of 0. Python में p का 0, the character at the 0th index. So, I is what? Python. And 0th index, the character at the 0th index is p. You will put that p in upper. Rest of the characters will be appended in str2 in lower. So, whether this would have been capital or lower, lower will go in str2, right. So, this is how it works. After Python is over, next it would take the next word, that is programming, right. Let me take another example where I have some characters in lower and some in upper. Now see, whether it was uppercase or lowercase, rest of the characters are in lowercase and only the first character in every word is in uppercase. How did we do it? We've split this string into words, and the first character of each word is put into upper, rest of the characters are put into lower. So, it's as simple as that.